Hello. So I am doing live updates to my Love Island tracker. You lot thought that I was going to stop doing this, but it's actually made watching this series so much fun. So, cool things that I've done recently is that I've built this active contestants view. Basically, there's a related property, and so I've set it up so that if dumped is empty, that which is basically like if I click into oh no, you only see it here, but if I click into let's find Chugs. All contestants, where is he? Chugs. He's got dumped property, which just relates back to the episodes database. But if that's empty, then like it is in beige, you can't see it because I've set it so that if to hide when empty in like default view. But anyways, so if jumped is empty, they just end up in this active contestants view. Cool. So we're back up here. And now I'm making a most recent episode section. And so what I'm going to do for that is I currently have, this is the original database. I currently have it so that it's set up for all. What's in this default view section? I can probably just get rid of this one, Hang on. What's the difference here? All default. Well, I think I prefer default. Just looks a bit nicer. Just gonna actually just get rid of the all view. And I'm gonna filter this for date is within the past week. And so to get access to the rest of the episodes, they actually live in all updates, which I'll show you in a second. And I'm just going to put a note here, which is want to see, or actually, no, that's bad. Check out at all updates for more information. Or no, for information on the rest of the episodes. That, cool. I'm noticing there's a little column happening, so I'm just going to sort that out. Nice. Okay, cool. And I'm just going to make this italic to be cute. Add a little divider in here. I actually just threw a poll out on Twitter, and I was asking people like what they would get rid of in Notion, and lots of people said dividers. And you know what? I'm upset because how else am I going to make my work look cute? But anyways, we've made this most recent episode section, and I'm actually going to make or prep a new episode ahead of tonight, episode 11. And I'm going to create a new page using the template. So this is good to go, blah, blah, blah. So like these are all the couples that are in. As you can see, the vibe is dead. Basically, everyone's single. So this episode is going to be a bit mad. If you're wondering what happened in the last episode, well, it just all kicked off. Like, yeah, you can read it there, but just Toby's a snake, Jake's a snake. It was just all a bit, yeah, it all happened. But so looking forward to tonight. And if we've got the new guy coming in. I'll make him a new contestant at some point. But yeah, going back into all updates. I've got this ongoing bit here. And so I've got like toggles down here, which are basically just views of the updates database. And I'm going to drag this into here. And now I'm going to filter this by episode contains episode 11. I normally do this at the beginning of every new episode. Okay, it's empty because like nothing's happened. But you can go back and see literally all the episodes and their updates in descending order. But in each of these toggles, you've got like a little view where you can view by episode and the updates. And I actually don't know how many episodes there's going to be, so watch this space. I kind of want to make this page like cuter. I've gone with kind of a very cheesy beach theme, just because like it's Love Island, you know. But yeah, excited for tonight. We've got our new boy. I think it's like Teddy Suarez. He would have entered tonight, so that's episode 11. He's 26. He's I'm remembering this all from memory, which is mad. Financial consultant. I think that's what. Oh wait, no, wrong box. He's from Manchester, I believe, and he's a financial consultant. His Instagram is at Teddy _Suarez. And he's a dude. Cool. So, gonna create his new little dashboard. Let's see, which is gonna populate in just a second. Okay, cool. No updates with him yet. I need to put his image in the header, but like, who's actually had a crazy time on this show? Let's click into Faye and see what's happening with her. Okay, yeah, she's with Liam at the moment, but she's, I think, been with the most guys in the villa so far. But yeah, she's got quite a lot of like OMG moments. Brad and the Faye kick off. Faye kicks off again yesterday. Yeah, so I'm gonna be super interested in watching her dashboard update throughout the season, to be honest. And yeah, I'm just gonna keep adding more bits to this. Right now, I'm also gonna show you the matches page, just so you can see what's happening. These are all of the matches that have happened so far in the show. And these are the current matches. As I said, the vibe is dead. Even Jake and Liberty, I rated them 5 stars before. They are now 3 stars because Liberty, rightly so, reset her boundaries last episode because Jake's a waste man. Yeah. So that is a Love Island dashboard so far. I'm just going to make this bit. But then I lose. You know what? It's fine. Cool. Check back in later. Cheers, gang.